Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this reusable lint roller, and I am so excited to try this out because we burn through those ones that you've got to just keep using over and over again and pulling off the paper, and we use so many of those. So I'm excited to try this. We've got two dogs that I have to groom all the time, and I end up with dog hair all over myself. Ooh, this has got a little sticky on there. So this can actually be used to wipe off your clothes. Get all this off. Whenever you're done, all you've got to do is just run it under the water. And it did pick up some clothes already. You've also got this little area right here that can actually go over like couches and clean up couches, floors. The handle is a really nice handle. It just kind of fits your hand real good. And then it does have a little area right here that if you did want to tie a string or something and have this hanging up for quick access, you could definitely do that. I've got my little area right here that I actually just got done trimming my dogs right before I did this. I'm going to use this and just show you how efficient this is. I mean, that's cleaning that up pretty good. And now this all filled up, so you can either take your hand and either take it off and go again, or you could go run it under the water and clean it off that way. So I'm just going to pull it off with my hand and then do another run. Now, if I wanted to use this side, this is just kind of gathering all that big hair, which is really nice. It's just scraping that off. And that is working really well. You can keep reusing this over and over again. I love that.